Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to talk about how to use the power of subconscious mind. We've all had moments of feeling defeated, guilty, frustrated and unhappy. What happens next? Do we pick ourselves happily, or do we do our best to go through the day with half enthusiasm, dread and negativity? What is happening here? If we understand this, we can possibly change the ever after. When we are low, we are moving through a series of negative narrations in our mind. And of those who are wise enough to know, we are more than the mind and the body. We may not be aware of it all the time. We have the ego, the intellect and memory. And wait, did I also say the subconscious mind? We are the sum of many parts. If we were to believe scientists, philosophers and our wise grandparents, a human being is the most complex gifted working organism that exists in the universe. And now that's a whole lot of pressure building on us. We are just simple people. Alright, so now we know that our subconscious mind is living with us every day, every moment. How do we change the dialogue and program of our subconscious mind towards happiness and success? How do we take care of our subconscious mind? How to use the power of subconscious mind? Don't bother completing that negative thought. Just stop it right there and change it to a positive, happy thought. Yes, I know it's difficult, but you can, with practice and patience. In ancient India, it was believed that there are angels everywhere who are simply waiting to grant people their wishes. So if you say, I'm going to have a really hard day, watch out. There could be an angel nearby that is only too pleased to grant your wish. Think positive and only think good. Sometimes it's not possible, then just relax. If negative thoughts come, let them. Envelop yourself and emit positivity through meditation. Faith in a benevolent higher power and yourself. Start the day on a positive note. Look at your hands every morning and tell yourself, these hands are going to do amazing work. Every night, meditate for 10 minutes before turning in and be grateful. It doesn't matter how your day went, what challenges you had, and the failures. Just be grateful and be happy. You've got a lot going for you in the present moment, right here, right now. Meditate, yes, you got that right. Our subconscious mind is a storehouse of our feelings, experience and thoughts, and we all are humans. Events and people will leave their residue on us. It's natural. Just use meditation as a special detox for your subconscious. Sleep well. A lack of sleep can pressurize the body and mind to function at their optimal levels when they are exhausted. An exhausted mind is susceptible to irritation, anger and negativity. An exhausted body is depleting its reserves. Sleep at least for 6 to 8 hours to help program yourself to a positive state of life. Think big and know that focusing on a goal that has good intention is the best thing ever. It will give you a sense of purpose, strength to overcome challenges and lift your mind from small, petty issues in life. Be confident. Ask for what you want from the universe, but don't hesitate. If you are hesitant to ask the question or are not sure about getting it, the universe will reflect your energy and perhaps it won't be sure about giving you what you want. Not a pretty thought, right? Work hard. You've already asked and expressed yourself clearly. Now work for it. Don't assume something pretty will just land at your door without an inch of hard work. Work for your dream, your desires and your asks. Be happy and have the faith that only the best will happen to you. And relax. You're perfect the way you are. Practice makes you even more perfect. It might not be easy to undo the years of conditioning and suddenly stop the negative narration that is going within. Be patient, easy on yourself and believe. The power of subconscious mind is in your hands. Your story has just begun. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you're coming to the channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing it. I'll be making some more such videos on various important topics. Like, share and comment. Take care of yourself and your family. See you until next time.